Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are conducting the webinar on import data from MS Excel, means import master, and vouchers means transaction. How can you import the data from the MS Excel master and vouchers? First, we will understand the topic through PPT, and after the PPT, I will show you the practical demo. How can we import the data from MS Excel to busy software? So please watch this session carefully, and if you have any queries, you can ask me at end of the session. After this session, you have to do practice, okay? Because without practice you cannot learn this feature. So you have to do practice after the webinar, and if you have any queries, you can ask me at end of the session. Now let me start the webinar. So first of all, what is data import from MS Excel? So import utility is busy help to import master and transaction data from MS Excel sheet to busy software. Thus, manual data entry in busy is not required. If an Excel sheet contains the relevant information, simply the data will be imported to busy. Means, so through import utility option in busy, you can easily import your data directly from the MS Excel sheet into busy software. Suppose your data is available in the Excel sheet in the proper manner, then you can configure the format for import, and you can import the data from the MS Excel sheet to into busy accounting software in your company. Next, benefits of import utility. So what are the benefits of this feature? So first is save time. By this feature, you can save your time. Suppose your data is available in Excel sheet and you want to enter that data in the software. So you can directly import the data from Excel sheet into busy software, and the data is imported very fast in the software. Otherwise, you would have to enter the data one by one manually, which takes a lot of time. So you can save your time if you're using this utility. Next point is increase productivity. If you save your time, you can increase your productivity. You can take care of your business. You can devote your valuable time to other business process, and your productivity will improve. The next point is improve customer services. So if you save the time, you can provide the better services to the customer. So you can improve your customer services also. If you using this utility, you are importing the master, importing the transaction from the MS Excel. So you can save your time, you can increase your productivity, you can provide the better service to customer services. Next is reduce error. So if you are enter the data manually in the software by looking at the Excel sheet, in such a situation, there can be a possible of wrong data feeding. But the data is correctly available in the Excel sheet and you are importing directly from the MS Excel, then all the information will import correctly in the software and the margin of error will be reduced. So you can use this utility. The next point is data integrity. So if you importing the data from the MS Excel, means data will import accurately, completely, and consistent. And the last point is, what is the last point of the benefit is easy data migration. So you can import data from other software also using this feature. First of all, you have to export the data in Excel from the other software, and MS Excel data you can import in the busy accounting software. So you can import the data from other software also. The next is type of master import in busy. So in the busy accounting software, how many types of master you can import from the MS Excel? So first is item master. So you can import the item information from the Excel into busy software. Next is account master. So you can import the account master also. Broker and salesman master you can import if you have enabled the feature in account tab. Authors you can import if you have enabled the royalty feature in account tab. And employees master you can import if you have enabled, if you are maintaining the payroll feature, then you can import the employees master also from the MS Excel. And contact, so you can import the contact master also if you have enabled the inquiry and support management feature in configuration, then you can import the contact list also. And the last master is bill of material master. You can import if you are maintaining manufacturing feature. If you enable this feature in the inventory, then you can import the bill of material master from the MS Excel into Busy software. The next is types of voucher import in Busy. So how many types of voucher you can import from the MS Excel? So first is sales and sales return transaction. So sales voucher and sales return voucher you can import from the MS Excel. Purchase and purchase return voucher you can import. Stock transfer voucher you can import. Material issue to party, material received from party, and payment receipt general contra, debit note, credit note without item. So these all the vouchers you can import. Almost all the vouchers you can import from the MS Excel, and you can fastly import from the MS Excel into Busy software, so you can save your time. So next is step to import master. What are the step of import master? So first you have to set the data in proper format in Excel sheet. Second point is select import option. You want to add the new master, you want to modify existing master, or both. So you can add or you can modify also. You can select all the options. Next step is connect the field of Busy and Excel. So you have to connect the field Busy with the Excel rows, Excel column, sorry. And next point is select the default value for addition of new master. I will show you in the practical demo also. So you can select the default values for new addition and select the key field for modification of the master. And after this, select the Excel file and specify your start and end row of your data. And after this, you can specify the Excel sheet number. And the last point is save the configuration, import the master. So these are the steps. You can import the master. You have to follow these steps. Next is steps to import voucher. So how can you import the transaction in the Busy accounting software? So what are the steps? First is select voucher type. So you want to import which voucher from the Excel sheet. So first of all, you have to select the voucher type. Second is you have to configure the format and select the format in the configuration. After this, you have to do some configuration, select voucher detail to be update, key field to be update, and master creation info you have to mention, GST detail you have to mention, and pick item field. This option you can configure. After this, bill sundry, and select the Excel sheet information. And after this, you can import the voucher from the MS Excel. So these are the steps I will show you in the practical demo also. Master import window. So this is the master import window you can see on my screen. So through this window, you can import the master. And this is the screen for voucher import. So through this window, you can import the transaction from the MS Excel. And this is the format for configuration of voucher format. So if you want to import the voucher, if you want to import the transaction from the MS Excel into Busy software, you have to configure the format like this. You can see on my screen. And next is after import, this message will come. This message will show you on the screen, and master imported successfully, voucher imported successfully. So now let me show you the practical demo. So first of all, I will show you the Excel sheet. So this is my Excel sheet. You can see. So first of all, you have to follow first step. First step is you have to enter the data in MS Excel in proper manner. Like you can see, this is my party list. So first column A contains only party name information. Second column, you can see all the rows is coming, all the same information coming on in all the rows. You can see 2, 3, 4, but in single column, you have to contain single information. Like party name is A column, party group name is B column, C column is GST number of party, D column is address, line 1, line 2, line 3, these 4 columns belongs to address of the party. Next, state of party, and the next is pin code of party and mobile number of party. So you have to maintain the data like this. You have to create the format in MS Excel like this. Then you can import easily from the MS Excel into Busy Software. So first you have to configure the proper format, and in the single column you have to contain single information in all rows. This is my party list. Next is item list. Okay, so same condition you have to follow here also. In the same single column you have to contain single information like party name, sorry, item name is one column, alias, item alias in second column, item group in third column, D column is unit, E column is GST tax category, HSN code is F column. So you have to configure, you have to enter the single information in single column in all the rows. You can see. After this, let me show you the purchase transaction also. So this is my purchase transaction. Okay, so first column is date, second is bill number, third is purchase type, fourth column is party details, party name, E column is item name, quantity, price, and amount, the last column. So this is my purchase voucher list, purchase transaction list, you can see. And the next is payment list. So this is my payment transaction list. The first column is belongs to date, second column is belongs to voucher number, third column belongs to account, and fourth and fifth, both columns are belongs to amount debit and amount credit. So you have to create the Excel sheet like this. This is the example. You have to take care. In single column, you have to contain single information in all rows. Then you can import the data from the MS Excel into Busy Software. So this is my Excel sheet. Now I will show you the configuration in Busy Accounting Software. So let me open the Busy Software. Now I'm opening a company. This is my company. So first of all, I will show you how can you import the party master from the MS Excel. So you have to follow some step for configuration. So if you want to import the master or voucher, you have to go in administration, data export import. Now you can see there are multiple options are available. The first is import master from MS Excel. So if you want to import the master from the MS Excel into Busy Software, you have to enter on this option. Now see all the master are showing here: items, accounts, broker, author, employees, contacts, and bill of material. So you can select the master. You want to import which master from the MS Excel. So first of all, I will show you the party. So party is account, you know that. So if I want to import the party master in account masters, we can follow some step. So this is my party list. You know that first column is belongs to party name, second is party group, third is GST number, all the informations and we already entered in the Excel. Now I'm importing in Busy Accounting Software. So I have to configure a format. So first of all, in the top, you can see specify import option. So you want to add new master or you want to modify existing master. So you can select both also, and you can select single option also. After this, you have to connect the field from the Excel column with the Excel column. So let me show you one by one. So now see, I'm creating a new format. So in the first column is belongs to party name. Now I have to select the field, select the busy field item name. Oh, sorry, account name. Next is column. You can see this is the A column in the Excel sheet. So we can connect the field with the Excel field A column. See, so in the A column of Excel sheet, what informations are available? So information available is account name. Second column is belongs to account group. So we can select account group. And the column is B, you know that. So we can connect with B column. And the third column is GST number. So we have to select the field account GST number. So you can search the field also, GST number. This is the field you can connect with C column. And the D is address line 1. So we can select address line 1 in the D column. Line 2 in E column. So we can connect line 2 with E column. E column. And in F column, address line 3. So we can connect address line 3 data field. SL means second language. It's F column. And next column is G column. G column belongs to address line 4. So we can select address line 4 here and connect with G column. Next is account state. So we can select account state here, account state, connect with H column. Next is account pin code. So we can select pin code information, pin code field, connect with I column. And the last is mobile number. So party's mobile number. So we can select account mobile number in J column. Now format is ready. You can import. So all the information we connect all the fields. Okay. Now let me close the sheet. And after this format is ready. Now you have to select the sheet. So sheet is you have to select the sheet path here. After this, you have to specify the sheet row, starting row and end row. So let me check the end row and start row. So see, this is the sheet is first sheet. Okay, sheet number is 1 and data is starting from second row. Okay. So we can mention here starting row is 2 and row we can keep as 0 also. Next is sheet number. Sheet number is first, you know that. And the last, you have to click on import button. Click on yes. Now see, you have to wait for some time and now your account master imported successfully. Let me show you the account master. So go in masters, account list. Let me show you the sundry debtors list. See, so all the account master imported sundry debtors and sundry creditors. See. So through this utility, you can import the account master from the MS Excel. Now I will show you the item. How can you import the item master? Now see, no items created in the software in the company. See, there are no items. Let me import from the MS Excel. So this is my Excel sheet. And this is my item list. So in this column A, you know that the item name is belongs to column A, item alias belongs to column B. In C column, we have item group. D column, we have unit and text category. All the information we have in the Excel columns, and we have to configure the format first. So go in busy and go in data export import master from MS Excel because we want to import the item master. So first is item. So if you want to import the item master from MS Excel, you have to enter on item. Now see, graphics are similar like accounts. So first you have to select the option add new master or modify existing master. So if you want to add, you can select add, and if you want to modify the existing master, you can select the modify also, and you can select both also. Next, we have to configure the format. So see that in the first column, you know that in the first column, item name So let me select the item name field and connect with A column. Second is B column. B column is item alias. So we can select item alias. Connect with B column. Third is C is group. So item group we can select here. C column. Fourth is D column. D column is item unit. So item main unit we can select here and connect with D column. Next is text category. So we can select the text category name and connect with E column. After this HSN code, so HSN code in F column. So HSN code, we can search the field and connect with F column. The next is sales price. So sales price, we can search. This is my item sales price field in G column, and the H column is belongs to purchase price. So we can search purchase price. Purchase price, connect with H column. Next is MRP data. So item MRP in I column. Next is opening stock. So item opening stock, we can search the item field opening stock in main unit. Connect with J column. And the last column is opening stock value. So we can select opening stock value, opening item opening amount in K column. So we can connect with K column. Now format is ready. After this, we have to select the sheet, and this is my second sheet. Sheet number is 2 and data starting from second row. Okay, so we close the sheet and starting sheet is 2 and sheet number is 2 and data starting from second row, you know that. So we can specify the start row and end row and sheet number. After this, we have to click on import button, click on yes. Now you can see data is importing. So see all the item master imported successfully. Let me show you the list. So go in master item list. Now see all the items imported, enter on this. So see item name, alias, party name, group, unit, opening stock, opening amount, text category, and HSN code, sale price, purchase price, and MRP. All the information picked from the Excel and imported successfully. Now let me show you the account also. See, this is my party like Delhi Sales Corporation. So you can see group, address line 1, 2, 3, 4, your GST number of party, state, mobile number. So all the information imported successfully from the MS Excel. So you can import the item master and account master like this. First, you have to create the format, and after this, you can import the data from the MS Excel sheet. Next, we will import the vouchers. How can we import the transaction? So let me show you the Excel sheet first. See, this is my Excel sheet. And third sheet number is purchase transaction. So in the purchase transaction list, you can see the first column is voucher date, second column is voucher bill number, third column is purchase type, fourth column is party name, and fifth column is next column is item name, G column is item price, H column is item amount. So see, you can see the purchase transaction list in the Excel. A column is voucher date, B column is voucher number, C column is purchase type, D column is party name, item name, and quantity, price and amount, all the informations are available in the Excel sheet. So, and you can see in single column contains single information in all the rows. So you have to configure the Excel sheet like this. You have to enter the data like this. Then you can import the data in Busy Accounting software from the MS Excel sheet. So after this, you have to go in Busy software. And if you want to import the voucher from the MS Excel sheet, you have to go in administration, data export, import. Now see, this is the option, import voucher from Excel. So you have to enter on this. After entering, this window open, and uh, you can import the voucher in this window. So first of all, you have to select the voucher type. So you want to import which voucher, purchase, sales return, purchase return. You can select the voucher type first. This is purchase. And after this, you have to create the format. Okay, let me show you how can you create the format. So click on configure button and select your voucher type. Click on add format. You have to specify the format name like this, purchase one, and select your format. So you can configure the multiple format also for voucher inputting. So after this, you have to select the format and click on configure. And you have to connect the field with Excel. So first of all, in the first column, you can see it's voucher date. Okay, and voucher date is belongs to header part of voucher. So we can select header field. After this, component name. So component name is voucher date, voucher bill date, and connect with A column. Okay, so we have to select Excel column is A. Second is voucher number. So voucher number is also available in header field. Voucher number, voucher bill number in B column. Next is purchase type. So it is also part of header. So we can select sale purchase type in C column, and D is party. So we can select header field party name. So all the fields are belongs to header part. That's why we selected in type header field. After this, item name. So the item name is information. This information is belongs to item field. So we can change the field type here, item field, and select your component. So this is item name in E column. And item quantity. So this is also belongs to item. So we can select item field here, and quantity. You can select the quantity component and connect with which column. So it is F column. After this, price is available in G column. So we can connect with G column. And the last column is amount. So this is item amount. So we can select the item field amount. We can search the item amount, and last is H column. So we have to connect the field with Excel column. Now see, so you have to configure the format like this. After this, save the format and quit. Now format is ready. You can select the format here. Okay, so after configuration of format, you can select the voucher type, select your format, and voucher detail to be updated. So you want to add new voucher, modify existing voucher, you can select both also, and select your series, select your material center. And if the master is not available in the Busy Accounting software in your company, so you can create the new master also. So for creation of new master, you can click on create new master used in voucher, and you have to define the fields here. So for account master, you have to select the group. So if we are purchasing, group will be sundry creditor. Group item group, you can select tax category, you can select for new master creation, and HSN code. So all the information you have to specify like this. After this, item field You have to select some option in item fields. So pick data from item master. If you want to pick item price, tax rate, and MRP from the item master, you can click on these options. But price available in the Excel sheet. So we can import directly from the Excel sheet. After this, auto calculation of amount. So we can calculate the tax amount automatically. We can click on this option. And if you want to apply the bill sundry, okay, like discount, freight charges, transportation charges, so you can apply the bill sundry also. So how many bill sundry you want to apply? So you can enter the number of bill sundry first and specify your bill sundry and your percentage and other details also. Okay, so other bill sundry you can. So after this, first of all, you have to enter the number of bill sundry and you have to apply the bill sundry like this. And the last step is you have to select the Excel file. So sheet number, you can see this is sheet number 3 and data is starting from second row. First row is heading. So data is starting from second row. Let me close the sheet and select your Excel file. And what is the sheet number? Sheet number is 3, you know that. And the starting row is data is starting from second. And the last is AND row. So you can keep a 0 also, and you can enter the AND row also. After this, the last, import voucher without error. You can click on this option if you want to import without error. So after these configuration, you can import the data from the MS Excel. You have to click on import button and click on yes. Now that is importing. See, 14 vouchers imported successfully. Let me show you the list of purchase voucher. So go in transaction, purchase list, screen. Now see all the voucher imported successfully. You can match the data from the MS Excel. This is my Excel sheet and see parties, busy standard private limited, 2 items, 10 and 20 quantity price, वगैरह. You can see that. So this is my purchase transaction. See, voucher date is 4th April. Bill number is BSPL01. So bill number is BSPL01. Date, purchase type, party name, you can see it's business standard private limited. Item name is 2 items available in this purchase because bill number is same. You can see voucher date is same. So that's why this is the same purchase. And see 2 items in the transaction. Price you can verify, amount you can verify, and the tax amount you can verify. So like this you can import the transaction from the MS Excel sheet. So this is dual voucher. That's why we have to configure, we have to do some long configuration. But if you want to import the accounting vouchers, so how can you import the accounting vouchers, like payment vouchers, receipt vouchers? So you have to configure the format in different way. So let me show you how can you import the payment voucher, payment transaction from the Excel sheet. Now see, there is no transaction. You can see the list is blank. Okay, so let me show you how can you import the payment voucher. So in the next sheet, sheet number 4. Okay, see, this is sheet number 4 and this is the payment list. So first column is belongs to voucher date, voucher number. C column is account, and D column is debit account, debit amount, and E column is credit amount. So all the information are available of payment transaction in Excel. We can import directly from the MS Excel into busy software in a company. So first of all, you have to follow some steps. You have to go in administration, data export, import, enter on import voucher from Excel. And you have to select the voucher type. So we are importing payment voucher. And after this, you have to create the format also. So click on configure and create a new format and select your voucher type. Click on add format, enter your name of format like payment, payment one. Okay, so after this, select the format and click on configure. And you have to configure the format, new format like this. So first of all, the column A is belongs to voucher date. So voucher date is the part of header field. We can select header type here, and voucher date is A column. Column B is voucher number. So we can select header field, voucher bill number, because both fields are belongs to header field part. Next is account. Okay, so after this you have to select body part, and account name you can specify. You can select account name in C column, and D column is debit amount. So we can select body field, amount, debit, and the last column is amount credit, is E column. You can see. So you have to configure format one time. Once you configure the format, you can import data, and you can use the format multiple times. Save the configuration, and after this you have to select voucher type and select your format, configured format, and voucher detail to be updated. You can select the voucher field. Like if you want to add, if you want to modify the existing voucher, you can select both also, and select your series name. For creation of new master, you can click on create new master, and the last you have to select the sheet. So data starting from second row, and the sheet number is 4th. Let me close the sheet, and sheet number is 4th. You know that, and starting row is second. Click on import voucher without error message, and the last step is click on import option. Click on yes. Now see, transaction are importing, and all the vouchers imported successfully. You can see the list. So this is my payment list, all the transaction imported successfully, and you can verify the vouchers also. So let me show you the correct information in the Excel sheet also. So this is the voucher number is PV009. PV009. This is the voucher. Okay, and account is New Up Delhi Goods Corporation. See that debit account is New Up Delhi Goods Corporation, and the credit account is State Bank of India, and amount is 75,558. So see, so through this utility you can import the transaction like this. So this is data export import option. You can import your data from MS Excel into busy software in your company, and you can import your master also. You can import your voucher, you can import your transactions. These are the steps. These are the steps. How can you import the data from the MS Excel into busy software? Now, if you have any queries, you can ask me your queries. You can send me your queries in Q&A. I will resolve your queries. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.